If you've seen what Adobe Marketing Agent can do, sizing audiences, surfacing campaign insights, flagging journey conflicts, this video will get you set up to start using it. I'll cover what you need before you begin, how data access works, and the steps to bring the agent into Microsoft 365 Copilot for your team. Quick checklist to start. On the Microsoft side, your team needs Microsoft 365 with either Microsoft Teams or Microsoft Copilot Chat, plus an active Microsoft 365 Copilot license. On the Adobe side, you need Adobe Experience Platform, along with at least one of real-time CDP, Adobe Journey Optimizer, or Customer Journey Analytics. These are the products the agent draws insights from. You'll also need entitlement to the Experience Platform Agent Orchestrator and access to your Adobe Experience Cloud account. If anything on the Adobe side is missing, your Adobe administrator or account team can help. Here's the important part on data access. Whatever you can already see and query in Adobe Experience Platform is exactly what you can see and query through the agent. Nothing more, nothing less. The agent inherits your existing Adobe permissions. There's no separate setup for the Microsoft 365 side, and no new permissions model to learn. If your access changes in Adobe, it changes in Copilot too. That keeps governance simple and consistent. Before anyone on your team can use the agent, your Microsoft 365 Copilot administrator needs to make it available in your tenant. There are 3 steps for them, and they're quick. First, in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, confirm that external agents are allowed under Agents, Settings, User Access. Second, find Adobe Marketing Agent in the Microsoft Commercial Marketplace and approve it. Third, deploy it, either to specific users and groups or broadly to the organization. Full admin instructions are linked in the Experience League documentation, so you can share that with your IT partner. Once admin enablement is done, you're ready to add the agent yourself. It takes about a minute. Open Microsoft 365 Copilot in Teams, Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, whichever you spend most time in. In the left navigation, select All Agents, find Adobe Marketing Agent, and click Add. The agent now appears on your Copilot main page and is available across all your Microsoft 365 apps. Next, sign in to Adobe. Type Sign In the chat, and the agent will return a numerical code. Copy it. Follow the prompts to authenticate with your Adobe organization, and you're connected. If sign-in doesn't work, or you can't access the Adobe products you expected, that's the right moment to check in with your Adobe administrator. One more setup step before you start asking questions. Tell the agent which context to use. The documentation source, for example, Customer Journey Analytics. The sandbox you want to query, typically your production environment, and the data view your team works in. This makes sure the answers you get come from the right place. You can change the context anytime later, so if you switch from reviewing one brand to another, you're not locked in. You're ready for your first question. The agent suggests starter prompts on the main page, a great way to get a feel for what it can do. Try selecting Review Campaign Performance, then Analyze Engagement, then show web visitors for top 10 products last week. After a few seconds, the agent returns a bar chart. Click View Data to see the underlying table. Follow the suggested next questions to drill in, or jump into your own prompt. That's everything you need to get started. For real examples of how marketers use the agent day to day, see the video on marketing workflows. Thanks for watching.